swear to God, I'ma make it all by Friday. Bring it back, take your pack back. My plug be calling, asking when I'm coming back. I'm like, hold up, bro, I gotta do these fucking shows. He like, hold up, bro, what the fuck you rapping for? I said, shit, I could make more than that brick. All in 30 minutes, man, I swear this shit. He like, God damn, we'll do that. And once you get that thing, won't you come bring it back? Cause this time, we gon' triple that. Cause that work that I got is the best. Boy, it's coming from the west, now go ahead, chef. Now super, chef. Now go ahead, chef. And super, chef. Now go ahead, chef. And super, chef. Now go ahead, chef. And super, chef. In the kitchen, young, cooking on lasagna. Full raw, we burning all on the highway. You be smoking, drinking on that crazy shit. Your friends acting so damn wild in this bitch. They be lit. I be out in every city, spend at least about 50 on that 420. God damn it, homie. When the fuck you coming back in town? Cause this white over here, this shit be looking brown. Damn, well I can't help you with that. I'm just probably doing more. I'ma pull up with that plaque. My friend, don't be bleaching none of that. That thing looking like a Cadillac. Now gone, chef, super, chef. Now gone, chef and super, chef. Now gone, chef and super.